You got the sun there. The sun will be going from there down to there. So if we can get the couple walking slightly up this hill here, roughly 6 o'clock is when we need to go out and capture these shots here. 7 would be great, but it's going to be disappearing behind those trees, but we can test that with the light coming through the trees. And we'll probably shoot way this way. Yeah, so if you just like start from there, because you're walking towards that tree, let's just say. Foreheads together or rub your noses, do whatever you want.
No,
Oh.
no.
This is the natural stuff I want, yeah.
I don't know. She didn't tell me. I'm standing over here.
Looking down, just reading it like that.
Be as natural as possible.
Okay.
Instead of reading, you can read out loud.
Above all else, however, it is you I love. I love you so very much. I love you.
Oh, sorry.
Hi. Okay. Definitely.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright, yeah, feel free to come and join.
No.
Come and join in.
Yeah, we got more today.
Yes.
And then I'm going to fly a little small drone just around you. Yeah, flip it. And you just want to be like, yeah. Okay. Oh God, you didn't get that.